So I've got a little bit of time to kill, so I'm gonna fix up. First off, I'm gonna fix up this parse name thing, and I'm going to figure out a way to parse the location. So I'm just gonna put I'm gonna create a new function called parse location, and then drop it in there. Parse location takes a ws dot. You know what? I'll fix up parse message first. Parse parse name. Parse name be this. So that's in messages.hs. Right. So I think part of the problem was that I was kind of lazy. I shouldn't be unpacking. This needs to be decoded. So if you if I remember correctly, here's how it looks in the source. Take our IO reverse engineering. Right here, this deobfuscated code. And there's a function in here called sendNick. Yeah. Oh, I apologize for that. So what this does is, so according to the documentation, according to the documentation, when you receive a name, the first byte is a 0. And every subsequent character is 2 bytes each. Okay. Yeah. So it's 2 bytes each. So it's a UTF-16 character. So we need a way of turning this these bytes into a UTF-16 string. I believe in Haskell there's a wait. I could always look at it. Package. No, not package. Stackage.org. I could look at byte string to string. Oh no, there's right. String. So there's a different way of representing Unicode characters in Haskell. You use text. There's this data type called text. Okay, there's decode ASCII, decode byte string to test. I wanted to do it little like using. Oh, there we go. This is what we want. Ours is little endian. Okay, let's look at that. So it takes a byte string, and then it returns a text. So if we look at the documentation for text, I think I'm right. A time and space efficient implementation of Unicode text. That's what we need. It's not actually Unicode. It's plain ASCII, but I think the developer of the game wanted it to just be like he wanted the protocol to be like that, so that maybe he wanted to internationalize later, so it would make it a little bit easier. But that's just speculation. I don't. There could be a million other possibilities. So what am I doing here? I need to import. First off, I need to add this dependency. I need to go into Cabal and the Cabal file and add another dependency. I'm not going to bother with the version number because I don't have a whole lot of time, and yeah, I just want to. I already have text installed because of Snap or some other thing. So I've got text installed. Let's just see if that works. Cabal configure. We need to. Yeah, data.text.encoding. Import data.text.encoding, and then import decode UTF-16 little endian. Code UTF-16 LE. That doesn't. What's wrong here? Oh, UTF is lowercase. Okay. Okay. Let's replace this thing with that. Oh. What's wrong here? Oh, okay. I need to. Yeah, I already have byte drop though. Let's see if that actually builds. I think it might be just something wrong with my editor. Okay, so I've messed something up. Take drop. Yeah. String.builder hiding drop. Is this the problem? Okay, maybe I should just look at the error. Couldn't match with actual type. Okay, so it's expecting a different kind of byte string. Not sure what to do here, but yeah, strange. To and from. This is what I want. Okay, maybe it just expects a different kind of byte string. It's expecting an internal byte string. Yeah, this makes sense, but I don't know why. Oh, I know why. This should be text. And we need to import text from somewhere. Which text is this? Data.text. Import data.text. Text. Please work. Yeah, we still have that error here. Couldn't match expected type internal byte string with actual type byte string. Is defined. So it's just the wrong kind of byte string. So it can't do lazy, strict versus lazy types. Okay, there might be a different text.lazy. That's what I'm looking for. Text.lazy. Maybe lazy. Okay, that worked. Yay. Yeah, this is what we want. Even if the developer decides to change his mind later on, we'll be future proof. Parse message. Let's see if this actually worked. Do cabal run and new tab. Open up a new console or dev tools, and then we need to create a new connection. New web WS local host 8000. It's not running. Something broke. So the problem here. What's wrong here? Yeah, we need to do print name instead. I thought my thing would complain. Yeah, I've noticed that like the config I'm using has trouble detecting changes in between files. Yeah, it worked. Good. I can do this again. And what I need to do is go back into that reverse engineered thing and copy paste this thing. Function send nickname, and then I want to set oh shoot, that's not what I wanted. I want to set result equals Nick. It's some side affecting piece of code in the source. I don't. And I need to change this so that I can check it out from the outside. Dang it, that's annoying. Result equals Nick. So there's a variable called result that's supposed to be set on the outside, and then you call send Nick. I guess it's some sort of like binding in a way, because the DOM should reflect it, and also the server should reflect it. So I think that's why they're using result instead of just doing it, instead of passing in the Nick like that. Should be all right. Okay, if I do send nickname test is connected and not defined. What is connect? Oh, yep. It's broken here. Oh, that's a function. Okay, now you know what? I don't need that. I don't need that. I'm just gonna get rid of that part. Okay, let's try that again. Still null. That is odd. So we're still not parsing this part. We're still not. It's still not getting to this. So we're not matching this correctly for some reason. If is name. So take 1 byte and then match it with this name prefix. Name prefix should be 0. That wasn't very smart. Yeah, it should be 0. That was dumb. I should have seen that. Well, I mean, it's good that we're using text, though. We don't want to throw away those Unicode characters. Let's try it again. Okay. Yep, everything seems to be working. Nice. I just want to double check though. I don't. Whatever. Like I don't want to add more dependencies than necessary, but I guess if it's gonna help out later on, then it doesn't make a difference. Oh, I could do. This is a easy refactor here. I can do BS where is name BS equals just decode. I need this thing here. Just decode UTF and then drop 1 BS. And then get rid of that, and then I can just type in parse name equals nothing. Cool. I like the if like I'm used to imperative programming languages, so I like the if then else thing a whole lot more. But since I'm learning a new language, might as well do it like everyone else. And normalize location. How do I do this part? I need a function called parse. First off, I need a isLocation function. It takes a byte string and then returns a bool. isLocation takes a byte string, takes one byte of that byte string, and then checks if it matches the prefix. I don't think this. I think this name prefix. I wonder how Haskell where clauses work. I've been using let bindings, so the thing with where is that you can pattern match on. You can have like those pattern matching functions. Okay, let's. Name prefix equals to lazy byte string. I'm not gonna worry about caching this result because it's premature. I don't like. I'm not exporting name prefix anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it in here. I think most of like the performance issues will come out of actually managing state. Location prefix, where location prefix is equals 19, I believe. 16. No, yeah, 16 equals to lazy byte string word 8 16. Let's try parsing the location. Parse location takes a byte string and returns a position. Oh, yeah, I just noticed something. If I do position, what happens is this suddenly becomes a cyclic dependency. So main.hs will be depending on this module, and then this module will be depending on this main module to import the position from. What I could do is pull this into its own module called models, and then it won't import anything at all other than the like basic data types. Or since position is a tuple, I could just do that float, and that takes care of that. So what I need to do is parse out the location, parse location bs, where is name yes equals just looks like I need a maybe here. So if it's there's I remember reading a Haskell wiki article called "Parsing Binary Haskell," dealing with binary So there's this idea of a get thing. Yeah, this is what I need. And then I'll just let them take it out. I'll let them take care of it. So I'll just replace this with a get. I don't need the is name anymore. I don't need is location either. I should have left that for later. I wonder if I can do guards, but whatever. I'll do this first here. So what am I doing? Get word 8 if I don't know if I can do that. If you know what, let's look at the library. Haskell binary. Import data.binary. That's not what I want. This looks like something I want. Okay. Yet I just want like a condition in there. Doesn't look like. Yeah, I'll just put it to 0, 0. I'll put the location to 0, 0 if that's. This should be a maybe on the inside. I really like. If there's a way to check it. Is there like a nothing? Let's see what the get monad has. Alternative. There's a fail. Oh, that's for something else. Come on. Get bytes. There's got to be something. Let's look at the source maybe. Success. Fail. No. Yeah, fail. Fix. If prefix equals. Oh, we do need the is location. And delete it. Just get rid of this. Well, yeah, let's parse it. We'll still need this for that pattern match earlier. Prefix. I guess in that case, we just parse out the rest of this. That's an 8-byte float. Oh. Looks like there's no way. There's no actual way of getting out floats out of this. I should have looked at this earlier. Yeah, there's no float. Binary. Character encodings. This is really odd. Sockets. Yeah. I need to rethink this later, but at least we got the name checking working. So yeah, that's pretty much all we got working. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna take a break. Maybe finish off that essay. See ya.